Challenge 4. Let's go get it. Same tune for the whole event. And we just bring it in and let it do its dastardly work. Alright, that's good right there. Let's get the bounty hunter working for us. Just killing spiders. Here are the dangerous things. He's the first one you want to get rid of right there. Okay, once he shows up, see he showed up, boom. Take him out. If you don't take him out, he'll take you out. Okay, now next one, right here. Take out the front. Take out the corner. Alright, now bring him back here, and then set these guys up in the middle so that they can kill any distractions. Close enough right there. Now over here, take the same thing out over here. Got rid of that. Get rid of the corner. Alright, put him on hold. Next thing we do is we use mat. Got to clear out these floaters. That will take care of the floaters for you. Just got to watch out the spiders, don't you? If spiders show up, come back. We can get him. Alright. Good enough for now. You guys go right there and put you on hold. Hold. There you go. Now go back to your 4 light bringers and clear out the rails. Now what you got to do is when he shows up, there, boom, he's there. You can kill him. Otherwise he'll shoot you. Got rid of him. But you have to wait till the... Alright, good enough. Let's go over here. Come on. Gotta take out these guys, but again, these guys are for protection. Do most of your fighting with your light bringers. Alright, put them on hold. Light bringers are wondrous for killing. They've got the range that defeats everything. And then Matt is great with the floaters. Alright, that's enough for him. Bring the other guys down. We need Matt. Put him on hold. Wait till the spiders are gone. And kill the floaters. Now this guy will kill your Matt, so you can't use your Matt. Put him on hold. But you can take him out with your light bringers. And then put the light bringers on hold. There we go. And Matt will take out the floaters. And look out, because those guys will smack him. All right. Now, what we got to get rid of, these guys right here. We're almost done. All right, now we can just put them on Ruby. Ruby. Come on, Ruby. But what you do have to do is take Ruby off just before you're done, because otherwise it won't kill everything. There'll end up being a spider or two and you have to come back in and get it. See, there's 2 spiders that showed up almost every time. You didn't win. You just got to come back in and get it. It's a pain in the neck, but that's what happens. And it's really hard to defeat. You just send them back in and it's like one shot and it's over. There's one spider, usually. Oh, there's 2. They're just, somebody will spawn. That's it. We got it. All right. Whoa, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? Did you not get that?